how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, this is your reading book, Phonic Reader Book 2. Now open the page number 16. Now let's start the reading. A P-A-N pen, I-N-N, a H-U-T hut. A pen in a hut. Now read it again. A P-A-N pen, I-N-N, a H-U-T hut. A pen in a hut. And the next line is a F-A-N fan, I-N-N, a V-A-N van. A fan in a van. Now read it again. A F-A-N fan, I-N-N, a V-A-N van. A fan in a van. And the next line is M by my, M-U-G mug, I-S-S, B-I-G big. My mug is big. Now read it again. M by my, M-U-G mug, I-S-S, B-I-G big. My mug is big. And the last line is a H-O-T hot, C-U-P cup, O-N on, a R-U-G rug. A hot cup on a rug. Now read it again, children. A H-O-T hot, C-U-P cup, O-N on, a R-U-G rug. A hot cup on a rug. I hope, children, you will understand that how can we read the page number 16. Children, you will read this page again and again at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.